handing over also and ready to receive to the CS.
Thutha wa gweterera kwa ihinda muthia maumirira ma kigeranio gia KCSE ma mwaka muhituku ni marekereirio. Arutwo 962,512 nio mandikithitio gwika kigeranio giki 480,311 na airitu 482,200. Mwaka uyu arutwo 246,391 nio megwatĩire grade ya C+ guthie na iguru ukiringithania na arutwo 201,133 mwaka muhituku.
2024 KCSE examination results have been graded using the reviewed grading system in which the overall grade at KCSE examination has considered mathematics the best performed language among three, that is English, Kiswahili, Kenyan Sign Language, and the best performed 5 subjects.
Arutwo 1,693 nio megwatĩire grade ya A, arutwo 7,743 makigwatĩra grade ya A-, arutwo 19,150 nao makigwatĩra grade ya B+, arutwo 43,120 makigwatĩra grade ya B, arutwo 75,347 makigwatĩra grade ya B-, nao arutwo 99,338 makigwatĩra grade ya C+.
The number of candidates attaining a pass grade, which is grade D+ and above, was 605,774, which is 62.76% in the year 2024 KCSE examination.
Arutwo matineka wega thiini wa mathomo 10 ari hamwe na Githungu, Githwairi, CRE na Biology. Kuringana na maumirira maya, arutwo airitu mandikithitie maumirira mega gukira imwana mathomo-ini ma Githungu, Githwairi, CRE, rũthiomi rwa ciiko oro ũndũ ũmwe na mathomo ma home science.
Male candidates, on the other hand, recorded a better mean score performance than female candidates in 23 subjects. And these are mathematics, alternative A and B, biology and biology for the blind, physics, chemistry, general science, history and government, geography, IRE.
Namba ya arutwo aria marekire kigeranio mari na ukuru wa miaka 16 gucoka thi ni yongererekete kuma arutwo 16,040 mwaka muhituku kinyagia arutwo 20,546 mwaka uyu. Arutwo aria marari na makiria ya miaka 20 ni 259,861.
The highest percentage of candidates registered for the 2024 KCSE examinations were within the appropriate age bracket of between 17 and 19 years, constituting 684,765, which is 70.95% of the total candidature.
Thutha wa kurekereria maumirira maya, Ministry ya Githomo ni yaniriirie ati kanju ya igeranio ni riharagiriria igeranio cia gatagati-ini ka mwaka niguo kuhe kanya arutwo aria magagwika igeranio ni undu wa itumi ngurani ari hamwe na ndwari.
I wish to remind the public that the last KCSE examination will be administered in 2027, and therefore we wish to invite any person who wishes to do a repeat, either partial or full, of the examination to take advantage of the remaining 3 chances.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagugena wa Wadiro.